Hello everyone, welcome back to 10 College. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Java JDK 21, configure it on Windows, install the required Java extensions in Visual Studio Code, and run your first Java program. If you haven't installed Visual Studio Code yet, don't worry, I have already made a dedicated VS Code installation video. I will pin that video link in the description below. Please watch it first and then come back to this video. So now let's get started. So very first step, we have to download Java JDK. So for downloading Java JDK, open your browser, search for JDK download, and hit enter. So here you can see the official website of Oracle. Click on that and scroll down. So here you will find different Java versions. Now I am going to download JDK 21, which is in a long-term support and it's a stable and recommended for the beginners. So here you can see that. Click on Windows. So here 64-bit installer. Click on this link. When you click on this link, it will started downloading. Here you can see it started downloading. It will take few seconds of time. Wait until it will download. So after completion of downloading, so double click on here, again double click on here. When you double click on this, it will start the installation process. So click next, click next. So finally click close. So great, Java JDK has now been installed successfully. Now we have to configure the path environment variable so Windows can recognize Java commands from any locations. For setting up path environment variable, we have to copy the path where Java JDK has been installed. So open C drive. Here you can see the program files. Click on that and click on Java. So here you can see JDK 21 has installed here. So double click on this, open the bin folder and copy the path. After copying the path, here you can search the environment. So here you can see the edit the system environment variable. Open that. Under system properties, here you can see the environment variables. Click on that. So here environment variables, under system variables, select the path. So click edit, click new, paste the path, click OK, click OK again. So click OK. Now our path environment variable successfully completed. So after completion of the path variable, now we are going to verify the installation. For verifying the installation, open the command prompt, search for Java version, Java version, hit enter. So here you can see Java 21 has been installed. Now again check javac version. So here you can see Java compiler 21 has been successfully installed. If both commands display the installed version, your Java installation is successful. So finally we have installed our Java. So now we are going to write our very first Java program using the Visual Studio Code. So before moving to that, minimize these tabs what we have opened previously. Open VS Code. So here you can see the Explorer tab. So here you can see extensions. Click on that. Search for the extension pack for the Java. extension pack for Java. So here you can see install extension pack for Java. So here you can see the file, click on that. Here you can see open folder, click on that, select desktop, and here you can see new folder, click on that, give the name as Java. So here you can see select folder. Here you can see new file icon and new folder. So click on new file and give the file name as main.java. Hit enter and write the following code. Class main So after completion of this code, make sure you have to save this file. So here you can see the 3 dots, click on that, terminal, new terminal. So run the command javac main.java. And next Java space main. And enter. So here you can see the output, welcome to 10 college. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to 10 college. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.